And
Okay.
the camera's not here. You won't look at the camera.
Okay,
You look at me.
cool.
And I'll just ask you questions. You don't have to get
Right.
personal and detailed about your case. Just talk about
Sure.
how Darren, as an attorney, handled it
Sure.
and stuff like that. So whenever we're ready.
We're ready.
Okay. So tell me your name and tell me how long you've known Darren.
My name is Joel Jacinto, and my family and myself have known Darren for many years. We're actually a distant family relation.
So what sets Darren apart from other attorneys in your own words?
Much more than just being a transaction of, an attorney that's gonna do and represent a client. Darren gets involved. He understands the family. He takes the time and he really cares. And when you have an attorney, and I don't even consider him an attorney, I consider him a family friend. Someone who cares about my family and what happened to us and the injury that we had. They say, Joel, I'm gonna take care of you and your family. Talk to me. And so it was never about Darren being our attorney. It was about Darren taking care of us. And for us Filipinos, that's the most important part. And being in that party and seeing all the clients that Darren has had, we know that he's been doing that with everybody. And so we're so proud of Darren, so thankful to be here tonight.
How would you describe Darren?
I would describe Darren as, classic, a gentleman, a father, someone who really, instead of just being a lawyer to his clients, really gets in and cares. And so that compassion, that involvement is so much Darren, and I know that he got that from his father. He learned all that from his dad, and so he's learned what his dad has taught him, and he's made it his own. So I have no doubt that the Manibog Law Firm will continue to grow, and mabuhay Manibog Law Firm.
So he treats his clients more like his family members. That's how he takes care of you guys. You're not just a client, you're more like family.
No, and it's so important that he does that, because that is really what life is all about. It's not transacting. It's not just, I provide a service to you. It's about building relationships, about taking care of each other, so that in the end what happens is you make people's lives better. You take care of them after they've been hurt or injured, and you help them to move forward.
Would you recommend him to friends and family members if they ever needed legal representation?
Without condition, I would not send anybody else or refer anybody else other than Darren Manibog.
Are you having fun at the party? Do you think he's a great party thrower?
We had a great party. You know what? I was so proud of him, Darren and Maria, when they got out on the dance floor, and he had the head moves, and he was going, and but he will say that Maria was leading. But you know what? That was a glimpse of their love, and we were so privileged to see that. And I wanted to see Maria of my heart, but that's the next party.
That's amazing.
Okay?
That's everyone. Yeah,
Great.
thank you
Nice.
very much.
Nice guys.